Your love, it breaks my heart in two when I remember who I was. A sinner lost, a shattered soul. Still you never gave me up. I ran so far, I hid from you, but you were always close behind. Now I see it clear today. You were there the whole time. When I fell down, you lifted me. When I cried out, you carried me. Your love, it makes my heart just cry. So deep, so real, so pure. I was never worthy still. You called me yours for sure. Your love, it changed me from inside. It made my broken whole. I came to you with empty hands. You held my weary soul. When I think about the cross, my heart begins to shake. All my weight was on your back, every pain you chose to take. Forgive them, Father, you said, while I stood there in my shame. In that moment I could feel you were calling out my name. Your love, it washes all my sin. Your blood has made me new. Every drop has set me free. Now I belong to you. I still fall, but you don't leave. I still cry, but you stay with me. Your word says you won't let go. That's the truth my heart will hold. So I walk with you today. In your grace I find my way. If you hear this song right now and your heart feels torn apart, call his name, he's near to you. He's been